What's up, guys? We're back out here for another vlog. I got Not So Pro with me, the DRZ gang. Ah! No! Why? How does this even happen? Ah! Man! I don't know if I got enough time to tie my shoe. Neutral, neutral, can't find neutral. Oh fuck, don't run it. Oh, how the hell am I supposed to fucking do this? Shit! Woo! Scared me. I can just see the control he has with that new tire on. I'm gonna hit this jump. I have no off-road experience. I'm doing second gear. I'm too scared to go any faster. Oh shit. Alright, probably get out of here. That's why you need some goggles. Nuh-uh, you want to stop? No?
No, I can feel it.
I think you're just bugging. Haha. Nuh-uh, really?
Bro.
For real? Dude, I want to see it.
What?
I want to see it.
How much time is that? Yo, why did it do that?
There wasn't the one right there? I didn't see it. Should've bought the MRD. These damn lights. Oh my gosh. Come on. Woo-hoo-hoo. Scrape a knee. Sight. I ain't about that life. Gotta make a quick pit stop. Man, it's so hard to tie with gloves on. Double knot for safety, always. Woo! I'll pop them. Come on! Thing's fresh. Could've got him. Could've got him. I should've. Yeah, this is my curb right here. Bought it, 2 mil. Why? Nuh-uh. Woo! Yo! Dude, that's crazy, dude. It smells like straight gas now. Right now. Just got off work, just trying to fucking find my way home. Puppy. Alright, I know where I'm at now. Got my work boots on, fucking military boots. Swagging out here. Straight off the clock. If I'm right, I should be able to turn left up here. I think a fucking bird shit on me earlier. Shifted to 4th and that one. I didn't think I was going to be able to bring it back up. I was definitely in balance there though. I could feel it. Man, yesterday, this may be like a 2-part video because yesterday I was filming with Connor and I just got a shit wheeler. So I was just so off today. Today I'm on though. And I'm not even riding today. I'm just coming from work. I'm so paranoid of getting caught by a cop around here though because I have no idea where to run around here. I'll end up dipping into like a cul-de-sac again. I'm feeling it today. Honestly, I think it's the boots. It's gotta be the boots. By the way, guys, 511 Tacticals, best damn boots ever. They're not steel toes, but they're so fucking light. They feel like sneakers. Mine have fucking overspray all over them from painting though. What's right? Once you hit the green, it feels so fucking refreshing. Man, I can't wait till it's like 80 degrees every day. And we're gonna be out here. Man, this road's fucked up. Police turd somewhere. I should just pass. Yes. See? They didn't even have to pass. I used to do a wheelie on this road every day on my way to work. And there's this guy always walking his dog out here and he's always yelling at me. And that's like 6 in the morning. Wonder if I'll see him. Oh shit, stop sign. Man. Whew. Keep choking on my spit. Swear it ain't the virus. Oh man, my bike feels weird. When I first got this bike, I swear, I'm pretty sure I hit 100 when it was all stock, and it just blew the stock back out the factory one. So now I have a fucking manual one. I think I got the Raptor one in there. That's been treating me well so far. This is my first time vlogging by myself. And I forgot to tell you guys yesterday, I ordered the FCR card for my bike. It's gonna be crazy. It said like 2 to 4 weeks just for it to ship though, but this thing is gonna be a beast. I'm so hyped for it. Like, I cannot wait for it. But I think I'm gonna have to change clutch out. Maybe at least just clutch springs from what I was reading, if I'm lucky. And it's not a whole kit. If anything, hopefully it's just like the springs and plates. Why was that guy? I thought that guy was turning. Now he was like on the side of me. This Jeep behind me is kind of sketching me out though. It's acting weird. I think I'm just paranoid. When I ride by myself, I get paranoid of every car. Someone trying to like hit me. I mean, people really get mad at wheelies. And I don't understand why. Like, this guy's just all over the place. He's in 2 lanes right now. Turn left anyway. He just wanted to wheel it. He just wanted to wheel it the whole time. That's why he was coming up on me. Damn. You gotta stop thinking so negative. Alright, let me chill out. There's always cops up here. He's usually sitting right in his parking lot up here. Looks like he's right there. He's changed his spot up because they locked the fucking gate. Man, like, come on. Like, how are they hard right there? Maybe that's his property. I don't know. It's still your house right there. Like, is he in there? That's just cruel. I lost my wallet the other day. Like, I wasn't even riding, I just lost it. Actually, I was sitting on my bike, like sideways, both my legs on the one side, and I guess my wallet fell out in the garage. I was looking for that shit for like an hour, couldn't fucking find it. And I checked right where it was 5 times. It was laying on the jack. My wallet's brown. The jack's like orange, reddish, but that shit was just blending in. And now I'm just fucking paranoid. I feel like I always gotta check my fucking pocket to see if my wallet's in there. It's the worst feeling. Heart just like drops when you know it's like, oh, shit. Especially when you've been everywhere, or like been doing shit all day, you have no idea where you lost it. Clean the bugs off, you guys. Little finger wiper.